Fertilization and pregnancy occur during a woman's ovulation period. In a typical menstrual cycle, a woman releases a mature egg or ovum from one of her ovaries into the fallopian tube. This process is called ovulation and usually occurs around the middle of the menstrual cycle. During the ovulation period, when there is a sexual encounter and sperms are introduced into the female reproductive system, they swim using their whip-like tails or flagella through the cervix and into the uterus, then into the fallopian tube to meet the egg. Fertilization typically occurs in the fallopian tube, within a day or two after ovulation when the egg is released. The male ejaculate typically contains millions of sperm, but only a small fraction of them will successfully reach the fallopian tube. Many sperm cells may die along the way due to the distance sperms have to travel from the vagina to the fallopian tube and the acidic environment in the female reproductive tract. During ovulation, the cervical mucus becomes thinner and helps sperm swim more easily through the cervix. If sperm successfully navigate the cervical mucus, they enter the uterine cavity. Here, they continue to swim toward the fallopian tubes where fertilization is to occur. If the mature egg is present in the fallopian tube, and the fastest sperm successfully reaches and penetrates the egg's outer membrane or the zona pellucida, fertilization occurs. After fertilization, the zygote undergoes a series of cell divisions, forming a blastocyst. This process usually takes about 3 to 4 days. The fusion of the genetic material from the sperm and the egg creates a zygote, marking the beginning of pregnancy. The blastocyst continues to develop as it travels from the fallopian tube down to the uterus. When the blastocyst reaches the uterus, it undergoes implantation, attaching itself to the uterine lining. Implantation typically occurs around 6 to 10 days after fertilization. After successful implantation, the developing embryo continues to grow in the uterus. At this time, the body's production of human chorionic gonadotropin hormone, HCG, increases, and this is detectable in pregnancy tests. It plays a crucial role in supporting the pregnancy. The amniotic sac and the yolk sac also begin to form after successful implantation. The placenta and umbilical cord form to support the growing embryo. The placenta serves as the lifeline between the developing embryo and the mother. It provides oxygen, nutrients, and waste removal for the growing embryo. By week 4, the embryo develops the 3 primary germ layers, which are the ectoderm, mesoderm, and endoderm. These layers develop to become the body's major organ systems. The natural selection process helps to ensure that only the healthiest and most motile sperm have the opportunity to fertilize the egg, increasing the chances of producing a healthy offspring. Human fertilization or pregnancy in summary. Hormonal changes at this time lead to early pregnancy symptoms such as breast tenderness, fatigue, nausea, vomiting, and changes in appetite or mood. It's important to note that during the early stage of pregnancy, the embryo is undergoing rapid development and is highly susceptible to environmental factors. It is crucial for expectant mothers to maintain a healthy lifestyle, including proper nutrition, taking prenatal vitamins, and avoiding harmful substances, to support proper growth and development of the embryo. Regular prenatal care is also essential to monitor the progress of the pregnancy and address any potential concerns. Thanks for watching.